Hello. Don't know whether people have joined me or no. Not getting a notification. Okay. Hello, Jaideep ji. Hi, Jai Ho. We'll wait for a few more people. બસ મજામાં છું. તમે કેમ છો? Absolutely fine. Hope everything is good with you also and the family. Suresh Kathe uncle is here. How are you, sir? How are you, uncle? This is actually my first stint, I would say, rather attempt, on doing something like this, honestly. Team RPVS, of course, ઓળખું તમને. ઓફકોર્સ આપણે ત્યારે વાત મને ખ્યાલ છે હિરેનભાઈ અને દીક્ષિતભાઈ સાથે વાત થઈ હતી. They were telling about the whole team and everybody. Yes, 5 people have come. So yeah, who else is there? Hello, Rohit sir. How are you? Kim cho? I don't know if I'm going to talk Hindi, English or Gujarati, but I think I'm going to take a mix of all the languages together. Nikhil Joshi, hi. Hello once again. I'm sure that's my sister and Nikhil both together sitting there, and everyone is there supporting me. Thank you so much. This is my first ever, I'm going to say it again and again, this is my first ever attempt of doing something like this, but it's a lot of support I have from my family, my friends out there. Hey, hi mom, thank you so much. Thank you. Darshan Somani is watching. Hi Darshan, hello, how are you? Actually, you know what, honestly, the reason I chose to do something like this for the first time is because I'll tell you, we have so many friends, like all of you here on Facebook. I probably have around 3,500 to 4,000 friends. Sometimes, we are there, but honestly, we don't even know each other most of the time. We just having very few people out there who really, are known to each other. But it's, I think, a good way to connect with a lot of people in these times. Yes, hi Vijay Mhatre ji, hello, how are you? Good to know you and meet you. Hello. So yes, actually this COVID has been really, really tough for everybody. I think be it anybody, any age, anywhere in the society, whether they are working, whether they are school children, whether they are college in girls and boys, or whether they are doing whatever, there are homemakers out there. So it's been tough for everybody, honestly. And in this tough situation, I think what we have to do, and we all should do, is just be there for each other, support each other in whatever way. And one thing I would just request everybody, please appreciate people. Really, really appreciate people. Whatever you feel about whomever you feel, just tell them. That's very, very important, in these times. And there are a lot of friends out there also. मेरे भी बहुत सारे friends हैं यहाँ पर. I was part of NM college when I was studying. That's way back now. But there are a lot of NM friends of mine out there. Ashok Kaliji, hi Mumbaikar. Yes, hi Mumbaikar. I am in Mumbai very much. I don't remember how much where you are, but yes. Ganesh Thakur is watching. Ji, hi Ganesh. I think we've interacted and I know you. Probably, yes, yeah. So yes, I was saying that there are a lot of friends out there जो हम कॉलेज और स्कूल के बाद फिर उनसे कभी बात नहीं करते हैं कहीं पर. एंड आई डोंट नो आपके बारे में, बट मैंने तो कोशिश की है काफ़ी लोगों को मेरे जो फ्रेंड्स हैं उनको सबको आई डू कॉल अप, आई जस्ट कॉल अप एंड आई जस्ट वांट टू से how are you doing, that's it. And I think it's going to be, I'm telling you, really refreshing, because even those people sometimes, you know, are not really expecting, you know, that a call from your, you know, from your side is going to come. So I think it's very important that if you just call and just, you know, I think this COVID times mein na, let's forget all that ke inhone call nahi kiya, why I have to call and all that, you know, let's just forget that. Just pick up the phone, speak with your family, speak with your friends, speak with all the long lost. I do this, you know, I really pick up and I have started calling long lost people also, like a one time friend, you know, school friend or college friend and stuff. So another person is joining me. Nagesh Bhosle ji is here. Hello Nagesh ji, how are you? Ketan Bori Sagar ji is my Masa. Kim Cho, how are you Masa? How is Masi? Yes, thank you for that like. Hope everyone is good at home. So yes, my main you know, point is saying that let's speak to people, let's connect with people, let's talk about life. Oh, another dear friend is out there, Aldrin Rodriguez. Hi Aldrin, so happy to see you here. Thank you for joining me here. Actually it's my first time I'm trying to do something like this here. I don't know whether this is going to be taking off or no, but thank you so much for coming and really supporting here. I was just discussing, I'll come back again, I'll keep it a little more on the Hindi side, you know, somewhere, if you are all okay, कि इस पैंडमिक में हम एक दूसरे को फ़ोन नहीं करते. हम पैंडमिक के पहले हम you know, Amreen, sorry to again interrupt. Amreen Mogar, hi, how are you? Hope you're doing well. So Amreen is also another dear friend of mine. We worked together in some project long back, and you know, it's really good to see people. Kunal Madhav, thank you so much. That good means a lot to me. Thank you so much. I think you know, it's a booster for somebody like me. Probably you guys are used to, but not me. I have another school friend joining me here. That's Isha Bhatia. Isha, long lost friends, you know, I've been telling honestly, these are my school friends. Priyanka Shah, oh my god, it's like, oh, we're going back to which century sometimes I feel, you know. These people, I have spent like 12 years of my school. We have been, I think 12 years, yeah, junior KG, senior KG, and 10 years till the 10th standard. We all have been like one thick family, honestly, and it was amazing. I mean, I was in St. Teresa's Convent High School in Santa Cruz, and yeah, nice to see you also. I mean, obviously, everyone, I can see you all, but you know, seeing your comments and seeing your you know, so much of wishes for me, it means a lot to me. एंड यही हम कह रहे थे कि यू नो, ऐसे फ्रेंड्स जो आज मुझे सपोर्ट करने यहाँ पर आए हैं, यू नो, दे ऑल आर हियर, they all are really all of you who are here watching me. I think I have to say again thank you. And एक चीज़ हम ज़रूर कर सकते हैं कि जो मेरे कॉलेज फ्रेंड्स भी यहाँ ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं, बीनल शाह है यहाँ पर, तो ऐसे लोगों को मैं फ़ोन करके आई मेक अ पॉइंट दैट आई कॉल देम अप, यू नो, समवेयर. सो बिकॉज यू नो, ऑनेस्टली व्हेन देयर इज़ एक बहुत बड़ी गैप हो जाती है, यू नो, आफ्टर योर स्कूल, योर कॉलेज एंड ऑल. And co-workers, obviously, you know, we all have amazing co-workers, but एक school and those college friends, you know, you just connect on that different level. So even if my request to you all is that आप भले ही, you know, उनसे इतने 10 साल 15 साल how many ever years आपने नहीं बात की होगी, if you have the number, if you can, you know, somewhere, please pick up the phone and just call. And I can vouch for it. I can tell you that day you'll really be so happy, because you know why, you'll go back to that whole, you know, memory somewhere down the line. So I'm sure I'm going to call a lot of people here right now who are also watching me and you know, supporting me right now. Thank you so much for coming and joining here. I am overwhelmed to see all of you all here. Viral Purohit is watching. Hi Viral. Today only actually we had a word, so yes, he's aware of that. तुषार जी इज़ हियर, तुषार सोनिग्रा. ऐसे लोग हैं काफ़ी जो आपको सपोर्ट करते रहते हैं, बट यू नो, काफ़ी बार हमने बात नहीं की होती है, सिर्फ वर्क रिलेटेड कुछ ना कुछ यू नो बातें चलती रहती है. बट ऑनेस्टली, just an interactive, informal like this probably, you know, will help us to yeah, be there. Of course, I have your number, Kunal. You don't need to share your number. I have your number. I will definitely, we'll have a chat tomorrow or day after soon on this. And yes, we should remember and take care of everyone during the pandemic. Absolutely. I feel मुझे लगता है कि pandemic में somewhere हम एक जो कहते हैं कि I am going to see myself and my life and my career. I think ये सब wash out हो गया है. Absolutely, it's washed out. And I'm sorry, I have to again interrupt. There's another important, very important friend of mine, Ben Thomas is here. Hi Ben, so happy to see you joining me here. Hi Mambo Sharma, thank you so much from UK. I think these guys I haven't really, we've not met ever, Mambo Sharma. But I keep on seeing your stuff, and you really admire a lot of people and their work. He's one of them, I've been seeing. Milan Teraya is my cousin. Hi Milan, how are you? And that's my student here, Divya. Actually student इसलिए कि काफ़ी लोगों को पता नहीं होगा. I'm sure काफ़ी लोगों को पता नहीं है. I was before what I'm doing currently in my work right now, I used to be teaching also. I was teaching in SNDT University for 6 long years honestly, and I have a lot of students also out there, and they are doing so well in their careers. They're doing so well in their lives today, and I'm very happy and very proud of most of them, everybody actually. I would say whether they are homemakers, whether they are working today, whether they are supporting things. Akashdeep Gupta ji, hi, how are you? Yes, another Divya has joined me. Ben Thomas. Ben Thomas is another great guy who is responsible for what I am doing right now. A lot of stuff I'm going to again and again say this to him, but yes, he's been बहुत ज़्यादा, जैसे कहते हैं ना कि एक भरोसा आपके ऊपर जब कोई करता है, he is one of those guys. Sometimes I feel I don't know whether I'm able to do this or no, but this person has always been really supportive and has pushed the boundaries somewhere for that. Hi Zaim, hello Neelam Mehta, that's another cousin of mine. Parikshit, hi Parikshit, that's so surprising to see you. How are you? How are you doing? Hi Neelam Di, how are you doing? Hope everyone is doing well. I don't know whether this live session is I'm telling you, I really didn't expect this kind of love from all of you right now. Greetings, and I'm good, thanks. Yes, Akashdeep ji, even I'm doing good, thank you so much. It's very nice to appreciate. Another oh yes, Mambo, Ben Thomas, oh, he's a great guy any day. And another very very close person of mine has just joined in, and that's Mr. Raj Ashu, and that's my Raj Bhai. Raj Bhai, hi, if you can hear me well. Another person who has been a strength for always for me, and Raj Bhai has been a support all the time. I can call him and his wife CP. They are like family anytime. I just pick up the phone and I know they are there all the time. So thank you Raj Bhai for joining in. CP was there on Instagram just a while back, and I'm happy to see you here. यूनिस खान जी इज़ हियर. हाय यूनिस खान जी, हाउ आर यू? काफ़ी बार हम ना ऐसे काफ़ी अच्छे लोगों से कभी मिलते नहीं हैं, बट दिस इज़ सच अ ग्रेट प्लेटफॉर्म. आई थिंक दिस इज़ फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम मुझे लग रहा है कि आई एम डूइंग समथिंग राइट. Something is right, and especially why? Because I'm seeing all of these well-wishers, all of you guys here. Thank you so much. Ben, you're nice. I don't know, Ben, I'm going to take the feedback from you again later on this stuff. Anamika Grover ji is here. Hi Anamika, thank you so much for coming and joining me here. We are just generally talking about life, honestly. We are just trying to I don't know, I haven't met most of you here honestly. आप जितने भी लोग हैं, हम एक साल से तो कम से कम, definitely more than that, we have not met most of us here. But I just thought कि let's come and say hi to each other and see how everyone is doing. I'm doing well, thank you so much. And that's Deepak Chaudhary. Honestly, I'll tell you, hi Deepak ji. We haven't really interacted much, but I'm a big fan of BMP that you do all the time. So thank you so much. BMP is a great project that Mr. Deepak Chaudhary keeps on doing. But I'm sure we're going to connect after this live session. Thank you for joining in, Deepak ji. Yes, hi Viral. Hello again. So what I'm going to again start, I'm so overwhelmed, when somebody is just joining here, and watching me. I mean, I am no celebrity, honestly, at all. It's just the love of all of you, that I just felt let's just go and do something nice live today. Frankly speaking, I wanted to go since very long, but there's always this kind of a small little bit, fear somewhere, that what if it doesn't go well? What if nobody comes? How it will go? What am I going to talk? But I'm going to say very lucky that I have some very amazing people out there who have helped me and supported me. Special people out there. एक मेरी बहुत अच्छी स्कूल की मित्र में and बहुत सारी मस्ती की है स्कूल में and lot of things. So hi, welcome. Thank you for joining me here. Hope you all are doing well. And so I think if I have been just talking a lot, somebody wants to join in. Oh, Deepak ji has joined. Deepak ji, how are you? I hope everything is good. Tame majama cho. Okay, another dear student of mine has joined, Shraddha. Shraddha Sawant, another brilliant student she was, during her college days. Hi Shraddha, hope you're doing well. So yes, coming back to overcoming fears, what I was saying, मुझे 1 साल लग गया honestly to plan this live session. Last pandemic lockdown में I was planning to do, but I think पूरा 1 साल लग गया to decide and do something like this. So my just suggestion to everybody is कि आप जो भी कुछ करना चाहते हो, not live, just something else, whatever. Let's just do it, I mean ज़्यादा सोचने में इतना वक्त चला जाता है कहीं पर, it's like I want to do this, let's plan, half the life. I'm not saying don't plan, of course plan, definitely बहुत ज़रूरी है, life में planning, but sometimes don't plan, just go with the flow, and जो होगा अच्छा ही होगा कहीं ना कहीं पर. It's there is a saying कि God proposes and man proposes and God disposes. हम कुछ प्लान करते हैं और कुछ और हो जाता है ज़िंदगी में. So we don't know what's going to happen tomorrow. Just be happy. Just enjoy this time with your family. I hope आप सब ठीक है. Everyone and your family members and everyone is doing good. And another cousin of mine has just joined. Sailesh Bhai Tereya. Hi Sailesh Bhai. Hope everything is good. Everyone is doing well there. He's in Ahmedabad, and even I know. Hi Himali. Himali is another very dear cousin of mine. Ahmedabad is really bad, honestly right now. Even Mumbai is bad as such with COVID cases. So I'm telling you, we are in this Big Boss ka ghar. This is my 3rd season in Big Boss house, honestly, because last when the lockdown happened, March में, हम उस मार्च से लेके इस फरवरी तक 2021 फरवरी तक I was at home. I have not gone out. I've been working from home, and whatever, I mean, it's like jaan hai to jahan hai. Why take risk? And honestly, our government is doing its efforts. Our police personnel, doctors, frontline warriors, सारे के सारे आज के डेट में अपनी लाइफ्स को रिस्क करके यहाँ पर they are all working for us. I think this much we can do. अगर हमें कुछ ज़रूरत नहीं है, let's not go out, let's just stay at home and interact with people. ये एक ऐसा वक्त है जहाँ पर हमें फ़िलहाल, ये मेरा मानना है, I might be wrong, I might be definitely wrong, but let's not think about that constant competition, जो एक I don't know आप लोग में शायद ना हो, but हमारे काफ़ी मित्र है और हम भी थोड़े से वैसे हैं जहाँ पे एक कांस्टेंट एक कंपटीशन रहती है कि आज तो ये करना है, I have to do this, I have to do that, this. You are constantly in that planning process of growth, and especially the social media is also sometimes you have a problem with that. I'll tell you how. You constantly see people doing this and that and that and you constantly feel that हम तो कुछ नहीं कर रहे, why I am not doing anything. I'll just tell you one thing. This pandemic, please just take care of yourself, your family, stay safe. If you are with God's grace having enough money that you can survive this pandemic, please stay safe at home. Work whatever is happening from home, just do that. Yes, if you have to go out, if you're a frontline warrior, तो obviously salute to all of you all that you all are frontline warriors. But जो मेरे जैसे लोग हैं, आप जो यहाँ पर है, तो प्लीज़ आप घर पे ही रहिए. कहीं ना कहीं पर अगर हम घर पर है तो जो फ्रंट लाइन वॉरियर्स है वो भी सुरक्षित रहेंगे. बिकॉज टुडे ओनली आई रेड समवेयर a doctor passed away, in Mumbai. She was the frontline warrior. आज बनारस से भी एक खबर आई थी, वहाँ की भी एक बहुत ही एक सीनियर डॉक्टर थी. शी ऑल्सो पास्ड अवे ड्यू टू कोविड. एंड ऑनेस्टली आज आपके भी टाइमलाइन पर यही होता होगा ना कि हाफ द टाइम वी आर राइटिंग ओम शांति, रेस्ट इन पीस, ये सारी चीज़ें. सो इट्स वेरी वेरी आई नो वेरी सैडनिंग समवेयर, बट कहीं ना कहीं पर एक चीज़ है कि you guys please take care of yourself, and I think if you stay at home, we all are going to come out of this very 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 soon somewhere. Yeah, so I think lot of talking I am doing here. I have one more friend joining in, Jagminder Sidhu. He is from media and we've done a lot of work in the past. साथ में हमने काफ़ी काम भी किया है. And yeah, so श्रद्धा, हेलो मैम, कैसे हो मैम? आई एम डूइंग गुड श्रद्धा, थैंक यू. सही है, कल कर सो आज कर, आज कर सो अभी कर. येस एब्सोल्युटली. हमें ना वो वापस लेक्चर देने नहीं है. I really don't want to start with my lecturing, but I don't know whether I'm talking well or no Shraddha, but yeah, you would know me. हमने I think इनको 7-8 साल या शायद इससे ज़्यादा हो गया होगा. I have taught these girls in the past. I spoke to a lot of friends of mine, और हम काफ़ी मेरे स्टूडेंट्स को भी हम कॉल करके बात करते हैं उनसे कि hello, how are you all doing, and hope everything is good and fine. So yes, everything is doing well. Viral, thank you so much for joining again. Hello, I hope everything is good. And आप जो भी सब अभी फ़िलहाल अभी तक जुड़े हुए हैं on this live session with me, thank you so much for joining. And बस और तो कुछ नहीं है ज़्यादा. I think this is enough for my first live, for the first time that I am joining here. And I'm so happy and I'm so blessed. Actually, I'm so blessed that all of you have come here and are supporting me in this today. Now this was just I would say एक हमने सोचा कि why not just take a chance and do it. And मैं भी आपसे यही request करती हूँ, whatever you feel, whatever makes you happy, don't wait for some next time somewhere. Next time will definitely happen, but if it is possible, do it now. And yes, one more important thing, if anybody out there wants to speak, interact with me directly, you all know my number, you all can just message me. We are always there for each other. We can definitely interact and help each other out in whatever way I can, especially to my dear friends and students out there. If you all need anything from me, please do much. Hello my sweet sister, thank you. Parth is my cousin, my elder brother also. Hope everyone is doing good. Parth, Masa, Masi, Majama. I hope he stays in Surat. Surat is also affected very bad actually. Gujarat, Maharashtra, Delhi is in lockdown. I hope the people who are there from Delhi also are also safe. बनारस में तो फ़िलहाल शूटिंग्स ऑन है और मुंबई की भी शूटिंग सारे कैंसिल हो गए हैं. So काफ़ी सारे serial shootings and all have shifted out of Mumbai. And Suvankar Banerjee, hi. Avinash Adikji, oh, I am so happy to see you there. Thank you so much, Avinash ji, for joining. Actually, I don't know, but Avinash ji, he is having a huge background. A lot of social work करते रहते हैं. He's, his father, his family has been doing a lot of great work for Maharashtra and the people of Maharashtra. And he's also been currently doing a lot of social activities here. Thank you so much. We have always just been interacting on messages, but I think I'm so happy and so honored that you joined me on this live. Thank you so much. Mambo, thank you. Well done. God bless you all. Yes, thank you, Mambo. It's really so sweet of you for at least being there, and I'm sure we're going to connect a lot on this in future also. And I would love to really hear from all of you in the future. Thank you so much. And yes, everyone, just last I would just like to sum up and tell everyone, please आप जहाँ पर भी है घर में रहिए, सुरक्षित रहिए. Let's not बाहर जाके अपनी ज़िंदगी, अपने घर वालों की ज़िंदगी को रिस्क करें हम. एंड हमसे ज़्यादा जो फ्रंट लाइन वॉरियर्स है वो भी तो वहाँ पर खड़े हैं उनके घरों को छोड़कर. तो कहीं ना कहीं पर अगर हम घर में रहेंगे तो वो भी सुरक्षित रहेंगे. They won't have that stress because of us on the roads tomorrow. So that's one thing. And last one thing I would just like to say is, please spread positivity and spread a lot of love. People really need this. Appreciate and appreciate. Right now we just need to appreciate everybody, whatever they are doing, be it be your mother, be it be your wife, your sister, anyone at home, because today, house helps are not there, nothing is there. Please appreciate everybody, your friends, your family, your anyone who is today there, appreciate. Because I'll tell you what, फिलहाल जो एक परिस्थिति जो है फिलहाल, everyone is in depression, semi depression. I feel that, I don't know whether I'm right or wrong, but everybody is there in little bit of semi conscious state of mind that what's going on, क्या चल रहा है, whether my life is going to be like this only, whether this is it, whether money is going to come tomorrow, not going to come tomorrow, we don't know. But only one thing that can you can do, that too free of cost. Today's my suggestion to everybody is just that appreciate सभी को. हमारा कुछ नहीं जाता है, honestly, nothing is going to go, right? So just tell everybody, oh you're doing amazing, बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहे हो, oh lovely, appreciate कुछ पहले का, कुछ आगे का, something. So yes, I think, and 1 minute before I'll wind up, I have 2 more people joining in. Shashikan Borisagar Masa, that's another a relative of mine, my Masi and my Masa from Junagadh. Kim Jo Masa, hope everything is fine. Oh my god, I'm so overwhelmed. Another Masi has joined me from Varanasi, Kashi Vishwanath, Mili Gawawala. Mili Gawawala, lots of love to you. Thank you so much for joining me in here. I am actually just winding up and summing up my talk here, but thank you everybody again. So yes, last but not the least, spread a lot of love, spread a lot of appreciation to whomever you come in contact with. And second most important thing, please get in touch with all your friends, all your relatives, whoever you feel that you care about tomorrow, something little bit also if you care about anybody. Please call them, message them, ask them what they are doing, and that's it. I'm telling you, you sometimes just don't know what people are going through in their life, because honestly, it's always a smile whenever you ask somebody, "Kaise ho aap?" "Bahut achhe." This is going to be a straight dialogue, but honestly, you don't know what's going down deep inside. So please appreciate people, love people, spread love. आप बहुत अच्छे से कर रहे हो, go for it. Thank you so much. I have these amazing kids, students of mine, and well wishers out there. Thank you so much. I don't know whether I'm doing good or no. This is my very first or do I say first shot है to do something like this, and if I'm getting so much of love, I'm sure I'm going to do something very soon in future with a proper planning, somewhere we definitely plan. So बस सब अच्छे रहिए, स्वस्थ रहिए, be happy, be healthy, don't stress about anything, just let this pandemic go. We all are in this together, and if you wish to speak with me, please message me anytime. I am always there for all of these family and friends. Thank you so much. And बस जाते जाते ये कहते हैं, just take care, stay home, stay safe, appreciate everybody, and I think I'm done for the day. I'm so overwhelmed. Thank you so much everybody. Take care. Jate jate. Rabani bhai, oh my god, all the best. Thank you so much. Now he is another before I wind up, I have to just say that Seema Kotak ji, oh my god, I'm so happy Seema ji is also joined here. Seema Kotak ji is हमारे जो मुंबई में हमारे खासदार है, मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट, उनके वाइफ है सीमा जी. मनोज कोटक जी है जो हमारे यहाँ से मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट है, उनके है. सीमा जी, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ऑल द बेस्ट. आई थिंक आई रियली एम extremely thankful for you to join in this live session. We are definitely going to interact, and Manoj ji does great work as a member of parliament. He is from North East Mumbai constituency, member of parliament है. मार्कंड दवे जी, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर जॉइनिंग. एंड हाँ, हम रबानी भाई के बारे में कह रहे थे. रबानी भाई इज़ आई वुड से a true brother to me, honestly. He's always been there and thick and thin. हाल ही में उनके वालिद उस्ताद पद्म विभूषण उस्ताद गुलाम मुस्तफ़ा खां साहब का हाल ही में निधन हुआ है इन जनवरी मंथ. एंड आई थिंक वो तो हमारे म्यूज़िक इंडस्ट्री के लिए एक ही इज़ द फादर ऑफ म्यूज़िक, आई वुड से बॉलीवुड के. ही वॉज द फादर एंड ही इज़ स्टिल गोइंग टू बी द फादर ऑफ म्यूज़िक. उनके ये सन है, and it's like family for us, complete family. Namrata Gupta Khan is here. Namrata, oh my god, thank you so much for joining in. All the best. Absolutely, they are family, and I know they always have my back for anything. It's a call away for me, these guys. Thank you so much for coming in. Seema ji, again I would like to say thank you so much, and जो काम मनोज जी कर रहे हैं as member of parliament, I think it's commendable. Hats off. I hope he is okay now. उनको भी बीच में कोरोना हो गया था, so I'm sure he will be doing well now. I will definitely speak with you in post this tomorrow. And yes, so Namrata, thank you so much. Rabani bhai, oh, you don't need to thank me. It's always a thank you from my end for all of you. Shardul, hi जी, how are you? Thank you so much for joining in. Actually हम जा रहे थे, but इतने सारे लोग अभी फ़िलहाल join यहाँ पर कर दिया है, तो I just feel like talking. Ravani bhai, I don't know. Thank you so much for encouraging me so much here. I think काफ़ी लोग बहुत वक्त से जुड़े हुए हैं यहाँ पर. हमने बहुत सारा हमारे साइड से जो पैंडमिक में हमें लग रहा था, हमने कहा है. हिंदी में ज़्यादा कोशिश कर रहे हैं बोलने की, नॉट बिकॉज आई डोंट वांट टू स्पीक इन इंग्लिश. आई हैव बीन आल्सो स्पीकिंग इन गुजराती ऑल्सो. सीमा जी, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर अगेन बीइंग देयर, एंड आई एम डेफिनेटली गोना कनेक्ट विथ यू टुमारो ऑन दिस थिंग्स, डेफिनेटली सून. I just want to say thank you everyone again. Rabani bhai ho, Seema ji ho, Namrata ho, all the people I can see out there, my dear students out there, all my friends, my family. Oh, it's like overwhelming to see all of you all together and talk with me right now. Okay, thanks Parth, thank you so much for joining in. Thank you Masa, thank you everybody. Yes, I will with your blessings, Masa, Shashikant Masa, I am definitely going to try to do better, and definitely next time. This is just a small a wish that I just had, that I'll just come and interact with everybody. Thank you again. So okay, all right, thank you everybody for being part of this live session. I don't know whether I have been able to do this how well, I don't know, but I'm sure it's somewhere good, because all of you are still there. Your love and your support is still there on there. Thank you so much. Bye then. I think I'll just keep on talking otherwise. Take care everybody. Bye. Oh, I'm not going to join. I think Kush Mehta, this guy is, I again going to repeat, sorry, before I cut this live session. Kush Mehta is actually my nephew, but he's more than a nephew. He has been very instrumental in pushing me right now in doing this live session. So Kush, thank you so much. Lots of love to you. He's like a brother actually to me, more than a nephew. So thank you everybody. Mili Masti, thank you so much. As awesome as always. I don't know whether I am awesome or what, but it's always your encouragement that's always been there with me. So I'm hopefully going to do better next time also. Yes, so bye for now. Looking for something more forward in future. Yes, that's my father, Ashok Mehta. Yes Dad, I'm sure I'm going to probably try and do something much better and make you more proud in the coming few years also, hopefully. Yes, so thank you, bye bye everybody. Thank you all of you who are here and who have supported me so much. Thank you. So I think I'll end the session here, otherwise I'll just keep on again and again thanking everybody. So spread love, please appreciate everybody, and yes, the ones whom I have not called so far, I'm going to call all of you, the ones whom I have not called. Alright, hi Neha, thank you so much for joining in. I'm just signing out, but I'm going to talk with you on WhatsApp, definitely. Another student, Savita Maurya. Savita, hi, hope you're doing good. Kaise ho aap? Yes, we want to see more in the future. Kushal, thank you so much. Absolutely, I'm going to do more in the future. I don't know whether so many people are going to join again, but I'm going to do more in future. Hopefully, let's do on some other platform again in a bigger way. Alright then, I think signing off with everybody. Most of you have been listening from the start till now, and I think it's a very long time I've been talking probably. So yes, thank you everybody. See you guys. Stay safe, and we'll be in touch via phone calls and messages and everything. And I would say thank you again. I love you all for joining me today, and see you all soon. Bye bye.